My name is Sabastian. I'm a medical missionary. I do a lot of training. I give training all over the world. This is, you see, the three big blood vessels just beside your ear here. So this is the place that if you massage here, you know, there's some clot here, some pain area, you just have to dissolve it to prevent stroke. This is very important. And then your neck area, okay? You can see, this is the side that you need to do a lot of gentle massage behind the ear here. Just gentle massage down the neck area. Massage here, and you can do a lot of different kind of stroking to help for headache. This is very important. In China, one head massage is better than the whole body massage. It is very important. Just simple using your finger and then just stroking like this. Gentle, with love, with passion, and then you can help a lot, you can solve a lot of problems. Okay, our head is very important. May God bless you.